Hi everyone, welcome to this video. We'll show you how to lend and borrow on the KAIA blockchain using KiloLend in just a few steps. First, visit our DApp at kilolend.xyz. You will quickly see the supported tokens and their rates. We also offer an AI DeFi copilot, but we won't cover it in this video. You can then navigate to the market page to see all available markets, including their supply and borrow rates. Our lending protocol is based on the battle-tested Compound V2 and optimized for stablecoins, using native oracles on the KAIA blockchain. Here, we can supply USDT and earn about 2.5% yield. Before we do that, we need to connect a wallet. Using the Line Mini dApp SDK, you can log in with Line or social accounts like Google and more. For this demo, we'll use a KAIA wallet. Once your wallet is connected, if you're using a social login, you can view your generated wallet address by clicking Wallet Details and scanning the QR code to top up funds and use the platform. You can also click User Balances to see what's in your wallet. Please note that you'll need some KAIA to pay for gas fees when executing transactions. Now, we'll navigate back to the markets page and select USDT to supply and earn yield over time. You can then click Supply in the USDT market to proceed. Next, we enter an amount of 5 USDT to supply and double-check the supply rate. You can scroll down to see more details about this market. Once you're ready, click Preview Supply. On this preview screen, you can see your expected earnings and other necessary details. If this is your first time interacting with this market, you'll need to approve the transaction to enter the market. You'll then need to approve 2 more transactions to approve the token and execute the supply. Wait a few seconds, and your supply will be completed. You can then click the transaction ID to view the details on the KAIA Scan website. Now we're going to show you how to borrow on KiloLend. Borrowing is optional and lets you use your supplied assets as collateral to either gain more exposure to your assets or access liquidity for other tokens supported on KiloLend. For example, we'll borrow 6 tokens. If the price of 6 goes up 10% tomorrow, and we pay a 4% interest fee, we would have a net profit of 6% just from our supply position. We enter 56 to borrow from the available 306 in your borrowing power. If you're ready, click Preview Borrow. A preview screen will pop up where you can see your health factor before and after the borrow transaction. The safe health factor is 1.5, and you could be liquidated at 1.2. So it's important to monitor this at all times. After your transaction is complete, you can navigate to the portfolio page to see all your supplied and borrowed positions, including your current health factor, which you need to maintain at a safe ratio. You can withdraw your supplied assets whenever you want, along with the accrued interest, and you can repay your debt whenever needed. So that is all for this video. Thanks for watching.